Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we will learn the answers for short answer questions from chapter 10 Types of Chemical Reactions of class 10th Science. Question number 1. When an aqueous solution of potassium chloride is added to an aqueous solution of silver nitrate, a white precipitate is formed. Give the chemical equation of this reaction. So aqueous solution of potassium chloride is KCl is aqueous solution. So we can mention the bracket AQ plus added to an aqueous solution of silver nitrate. So silver nitrate AgNO3. This is also aqueous solution. So in subscription we can mention AQ, which gives white precipitate, that is AgCl. It given as a precipitate. So this one precipitate along with potassium nitrate KNO3, this one aqueous solution. So this reaction is called double displacement precipitation reaction. Here chlorine displaced to silver, the nitrate displaced to potassium. So here double displacement takes place. Then the double displacement, there are two types. One is precipitation reaction, another one is a neutralization reaction. This type belongs to the precipitation reaction. So the double displacement precipitation reaction. Question number 2. Why does the reaction rate of a reaction increases on raising the temperature? Because adding heat to the reactants, for example calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid at room temperature, the reaction will be slow. This is at room temperature. But if you increase the temperature, the reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid will be faster. So when the heat increases, reaction rate also increases because the energy given to the reactants to break the bonds. Now we'll see how to write. Most of the reactions go faster at higher temperature because adding heat to the reactants provides energy to break more bonds and the speed of the reaction. Question number 3. Define combination reaction. Give one example for an exothermic combination reaction. A combination reaction is nothing but reaction in which two or more reactants, for example carbon reacts with oxygen. So two or more reactants combine to form a new compound, that is carbon dioxide. So carbon in solid state, oxygen in gaseous state, this carbon dioxide in gaseous state, along with it is evolved. So this reaction is also known as exothermic combination reaction because here heat is evolved. If any reaction heat is evolved, that it belongs to the exothermic reaction. Now here carbon combined with the oxygen to give carbon dioxide, so that this is exothermic combination reaction. Question number 4. Differentiate reversible and irreversible reactions. First example for reversible reactions: phosphorus pentachloride decomposed into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. This is forward reaction. Then combination of these two provides PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride. So here reversed reaction also possible. So in reversible reaction, forward reaction and backward reaction both are possible simultaneously, so it attains equilibrium. Next example for irreversible reactions: carbon combined with the oxygen, which gives carbon dioxide and heat. Here only possible forward reaction. When carbon reacts with oxygen gives carbon dioxide. but this carbon dioxide will not be separated into carbon and oxygen. So there is no possibility of backward reaction. So only possibility of forward reaction. So this is unidirectional reaction. Next, here equilibrium is not attained. Next, the reactants cannot be converted into completely into products. The reactants வந்து ப்ராடக்டை வந்து ஃபுல்லாக வந்து கன்வெர்ட் ஆகாது. ஆனால் இரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷனில் இந்த ரியாக்டன்ஸ் வந்து ஃபுல்லாக வந்து ப்ராடக்டை வந்து கன்வெர்ட் ஆகிடும். ரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்லோவாக நடக்கும், இரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக நடக்கும். இந்த ரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷனில் ரெண்டு ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஃபார்வர்ட் ரியாக்ஷன், பேக்வர்ட் ரியாக்ஷன். இந்த ரெண்டு ரியாக்ஷனோட ரேட்டு வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். ஆனால் இதை கம்பேர் பண்ண சொல்ல, இரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷனை கம்பேர் பண்ண சொல்ல, ரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து ஸ்லோ ப்ராசஸில் இருக்கும், இரிவர்சிபிள் ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Now we'll see how to write. Reversible reaction, irreversible reaction. It can be reversed under suitable conditions. It cannot be reversed. Both forward and backward reactions takes place simultaneously. It is unidirectional. It proceeds only in forward direction. It attains equilibrium. Equilibrium is not attained. The reactants cannot be converted completely into products. Here, the reactants can be completely converted into products. It is relatively slow. It is fast. Thank you, students.